Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're going to head to B&M and we're going to check out the plant stock. So it was delivery day yesterday and wow, have they got some really lovely stuff at some great prices. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So as discussed, I'm not going to touch on any of the older stock. I have got a video from last week, which I'll drop the link down below in the description. So start off with these Verdi Cordylines. Now these are the green Australis for £10 and the red star for £10 as well. The red star aren't quite as hardy as the green. I tend to have better luck. They're hardy down to around about -10. This is what I'm really interested in. So this is a brand new delivery on Tuesday the 7th of April, and look at these Aceyers. They're absolutely beautiful. Now these 3-litre pots are absolutely bursting with colour. Look at this bluey purpley flower, and it's absolutely loaded. And for £6.50 I think you get quite a lot of plant for your money just there. Now these are a perennial, so these will come back year on year, and they're completely frost hardy as well, so no issues with planting those out now, which is surprising, right, considering garden centres are loaded with beautiful flowers at the moment and they're not all hardy. Again, £6.50 for these lupins, and again they're absolutely loaded in these 3-litre pots. They've got multiple plants in one pot to make it up, so you'll get a really good selection. I wouldn't recommend splitting any of these. I just plant them as is. And I did do a video on perennials not so long ago about keeping slugs away from your plants as well, so be sure to check that out. Moving on to these beautiful hydrangeas. Now they come in several different colours for £12.50. At the bottom there, there's white, pinks, and they have a blue a little bit higher up, depending on what pH you are. So if you want a blue one, you plant in Acers compost. If you want a pink one or white one, they can go in multi-purpose, and they're completely frost hardy as well. Something that's not so hardy here then, these beautiful Sonettis. Now I absolutely love the colour of these, like electric pinks, but for £5 I think they're worth a little bit of a gamble, but you do have to protect these from frost, so just bear that in mind. We're having some beautiful temperatures at the moment, but the temperatures need to be consistent at night as well as in the day. And then they have this purple variety of Sonetti as well. I absolutely love these. They do take a fair bit of deadheading to keep in looking good. Ranunculus then, for just £5. 2 different colours in stock at my B&M. Now this is Fenton, Stoke-on-Trent. Delivery days is normally around a Tuesday. So we have this red, and then we have this beautiful pinky yellow scented. Isn't it lovely? One thing to mention, these are extremely hungry, extremely thirsty plants, so they will need a pot almost instantly. When you buy them, they'll need going in a pot double the size of what they're in currently. So we've got some Phoenix palms then. So these aren't the Canariensis, these are actually Robellini, which are a little bit more of a feathery palm when it comes to the Phoenix palm. Now they're exactly like the Canariensis. They won't last the UK winter, so they will need a little bit of protection, either in a greenhouse, summer house, or maybe even into the main house, to be fair, over a winter period. So just here then, we have the Volcano Chamaerops, which is a slightly different variety than I'm used to. I'm normally used to the Chamaeropsis humilis. These are what I'm most excited about. Now these are the Trachycarpus wagneranus for £18.50. I think they're an absolute smashing price. These were £37.50 for the larger varieties, but I do feel like this is catered for everybody. I feel like £18.50 for this size palm is really good value. They seem to have a really good root system with plenty of new leaves on them, and they don't seem to be a dug up palm. They seem to be a pot grown, which means they'll transfer into your garden much better. Now I'll put the 2 different Trachycarpus side by side. So on the left you have the Fortunii, and again that's £18.50, and on the right you have the Trachycarpus wagneranus. So you can see the different plant structure in them both. I actually have some of the left in my garden, and I'm going to add the one on the right to mine just for a little bit of a different kind of texture. I think they're great. These beautiful things, I'm ashamed to say, I've never seen before, but these are a Hydrangeas. Now, they're like a lily type flower. The flower is absolutely huge. I don't know a great deal of information about these, and that's not something you'll hear me say very often. Moving on to dwarf rhododendrons and azaleas. So these come in a couple of different prices. This beautiful purple one here. Now, one thing worth mentioning when it comes to azaleas and rhododendrons, these do need an ericaceous compost. So they normally come in like a pink bag to keep them looking the best. And this azalea just here, all of the plants are loaded with buds and loaded with flowers. They've not been forced on. That's only £4.50, that one. They've not been forced on, so these will be absolutely fine to go straight out into your garden. Fully hardy, with no issues. Just go back to the Trachycarpus and Wageraneus and the Fortunii. They're hardy to around about -10, so no issues there. So we've actually got some Fatsia japonicas, euonymus, and some Acuba japonicas in there for the £4 or 3 for £10. Now, I actually think they're a really good deal. I went ahead and bought some of those earlier on in the season. Now we have some clematis. Now these are one of the fastest growing clematises you can get. The Montana for £6.50. Fully hardy, can go out now, and they are loaded with buds as well. So you'll, if you purchase them now, you'll enjoy a really good display for a good few weeks. This is a plant that's not done and dusted when it comes to flowering. It will give you a really good flowering time. Moving on to honeysuckle then for the same price. Now, both of these are deciduous, so they'll drop all the leaves in the winter, but they're all £6.50. Honeysuckle isn't quite as fast growing as the Montanas. Now, these Buxus sempervirums, either bulls or tripods as I call them. Now, these are a steal for £12.50. Now, back in my day when I was at college in the garden centre, these were really expensive. So I feel for £12 for the balls and £15 for the pyramid shapes are a fantastic price. Again, they're fully hardy as well. So these beauties are Acers or Acer palmatums. They've got a few different varieties for £4.50. I think they're an absolute steal. These do require an ericaceous compost. So if you're thinking about putting them in a pot, then you will need that. Now, something worth mentioning, these actual leaves themselves will be so delicate when it comes to the sun and the wind that you really need to keep it somewhere protected when you first get them home. Now, this will only be an issue now because they're fresh out the nurseries, but just something to bear in mind when you get it back. Obviously, next year when it's in the garden, it's been exposed to the elements for a certain amount of time, you won't have the same kind of issues, but you'll have a few issues. They'll have a little bit of a wobble, no doubt, but you just got to put them in a sheltered spot. And then just there for £20, we've got the Acer bowls, and just look at the different colours on these. It's absolutely beautiful. This one here is a variety I've got in my cottage style garden, and it does great. I think I bought mine for around about £3.50, similar size to the one we've just seen, for £4.50 there. But they're absolutely a fantastic addition to any garden. That's the Acer palmatum. So just at the bottom here then, so they've got the Kalmia. Now, I haven't seen this too often. It strikes me very similar to the rhododendrons or azalea plants. Comes in this lovely hot pink colour. It's not something I've seen that much of, and I think for the price, it's really good value. Moving on then, so we have some Dianthus pinks, 2 for £12. Now, these are fully hardy. You can put these out now, and these will flower all spring for you up until when we're looking to actually plant out our summer bedding and give ourselves some. Speaking of summer bedding, so we've got some million bells here, or like the mini petunias. These do need some winter protection, or protecting from frost, should I say. Then we have some beautiful verbena, exactly the same, just needs to be protected against frost. But verbena is one of my absolute favourites. But if you are looking to fill the gap between now and summer plants, then these are a really good shout. £3.50 for 20 plants We've got some pansies and violas come in several different colours. If you're not feeling that brave but you want some colour, then that's your plant. So speaking of hardy, we've got some pink kisses. Now these are absolutely brilliant. These were launched in 2016, I believe. I absolutely love these, and the best thing about the Dianthus plant is the more you deadhead them, the more flowers you will get. So £3 each, or 3 for £6, and they've got plenty in stock. I really love them. Great tip, if you hang on a few weeks and they're not sold, you'll pick these up very, very cheaply. Now, if you have a tropical style garden, if you're wanting to add a little bit of a tropical twist to your garden, then look no further. These are absolutely great. These are called Formiums or New Zealand flax. Now, for £12.50, I feel like they're a really reasonable price, and they come in a few different colours as well. I quite like the pink tinge ones. If I was to pick, mine would be this one just here. And there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed it. For me, the Wagneranus, the Trachycarpus Wagneranus, is an absolute steal at £18.50. I actually bought one. It's my birthday coming up soon, so I'm really excited to get that in the garden. But if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.